This is the last large land parcel on Hennur Main Road. Once it's gone, it is gone. Puravankara is launching right opposite to Hennur D-Mart, 3.01 acres, 1 tower, 2 wings, 192 homes.
If you have been tracking Hennur Road as a place to buy a home or make an investment, you already know how fast this micro market moves. Project launch, sell out and disappear. The good ones especially. Today we are talking about Puravankara Hennur, what it is, why it matters and why the timing right now is more important than you think. Let's start with who's building this because it sets the context for everything else. Puravankara is one of South India's most established and trusted real estate developers, decades in the business, thousands of delivered homes, and a reputation that holds up under scrutiny. They are not a new name trying to make a first impression. They are a developer with a track record, and when they launch something in EOI phase, the serious buyers pay attention. Puravankara Hennur is their latest launch in Bangalore, and they have bought their full weight on this one. The specifications, the designs, the scale, everything here reflects a developer that knows exactly what they're doing. Now let's talk about the location because Hennur Road is one of those micro markets that genuinely rewards people who understand it. This is not an emerging area, this is not a bet on future development. Hennur Road is already one of Bangalore's most established and well-connected residential corridors, and that's exactly why inventory here moves so fast. The project sits right opposite Hennur D-Mart. Outer Ring Road is just 600 meters away, which means access to the city's primary arterial network is practically at your doorstep. Mahindra Tech Park, one of Bangalore's latest tech campuses, is 10 minutes away. Devrishi Tech Park is walkable distance. For anyone walking in North Bangalore's tech corridor, this location eliminates the commute problem entirely. On the healthcare front, Sparsh Hospital, Manipal Hospital, Motherhood Cloud9, all within the immediate neighborhood. This is the kind of medical infrastructure that families specifically look for when choosing where to live, and Hennur has it all. For lifestyle, Bharti City Mall, Big Brewski are right around the corner, and the airport is 30 minutes away, clean, direct connecting that matters whether you are a frequent flyer or an NRI buyer keeping an eye on this market. What makes this location particularly significant right now is simple. There is no large land parcels left on Hennur Main Road after this. The area is built out. Whatever comes next will be on a smaller plot with compromises on scale and open space. Puravankara got here at the right time with the right land. Now let's get into the project itself. Puravankara Hennur sits on 3.1 acres, 2 towers, G plus 24 floors, 192 total units. The scale is deliberate. This is not a mass market complex designed to pack in as many units as possible. Every decision here has been made with the end user in mind. Each floor has just 4 units, and every single one of those units is a corner unit with no common walls. That combination, 4 per floor, all corner, is rare. What it means practically is natural light from multiple sides, proper cross ventilation, and genuine privacy. You are not sharing a wall with your neighbor. Your home feels like your own space, not a unit in a block. 80% of the development is open space. On 3.1 acres in the middle of Hennur, this is a significant achievement. It means the towers are not crowded together, the grounds breathe, the residents actually have space to use outside their homes. The views are another standout feature, 270-degree view from the upper floor. In a neighborhood as built up as Hennur, that kind of unobstructed views is not something you find easily. Both towers are connected only at the ground floor, which adds another layer of privacy and exclusivity to each tower community. And the project is 100% Vastu compliant, each facing west and north for buyers who prioritize Vastu, and in Bangalore, a significant number do. This is a complete uncompromised offering. Let's talk about the homes themselves. Puravankara Hennur offers 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK configuration. No 1 BHK, no 2 BHK. This is a project built entirely for those who want real space. The 3 BHK starts at 1950 square feet with 3 bathrooms and 2 car park. The 3.5 BHK comes in at 2400 square feet, 3 bathrooms, maid room, puja room and 2 car parking. The 4 BHK is 2800 square feet with 4 bathroom, 4 maids room, puja room and 3 car parking. Carpet area efficiency is 67%, which is strong for a project of this scale. And the specifications go beyond what you will find in comparable projects in this area. The master bedroom in select configurations comes with a bathtub, a detail that signals the level of finish Puravankara is delivering here. The clubhouse is 20,000 square feet with 25 plus amenities. This is a full lifestyle offering, not a token gym and a swimming pool, but a proper clubhouse that residents will actually use. Possession is December 2030. Payment is construction linked, so your money moves with the progress of the project. Here's the part that matters most for anyone making a buying decision. Every major project on Hainoor Road is sold out. This is not a marketing line, it's the reality of this micro market right now. The demand has consistently outpaced supply and there is simply no large parcel of the last left land in this area. If you want more details, floor planning, or want to book a site visit, link is in the description. Connect with the Mani Consulting now to know more about real estate.